share a little project I'm going to do. This is my grandfather's hammer, and it's for rock. It's a rock hammer or a concrete hammer to break away stones and stuff like that, concrete. And it's a true temper number 12B, and I don't want to mess with the handle too much. I want to put some linseed oil, clean it up a little bit lightly, and give the head here a good cleaning. And just so you have an idea of how long it is, from the head to the tail, it's about 7.5 inches long. And in comparison, this is a Tinnersmith hammer, so don't get them confused. I mean, technically you could use this one for the same purpose, but it's not built for it. It's a Tinnersmith hammer, metalworking hammer, whatever. And there's the difference. So anyway, that's my project. It should be a quick one. Just wanted to share the hammer with you. It's, like I say, it's a number 12B, true temper. So thanks a lot, everyone. Alright, here's the post wire brush, and you see I got some work to do to get this looking a little better. I'm going to have to use the sander to get some of those problems out of the hammer. But it did clean up, and I don't have too much to do. Like I say, I'll do a little sanding on the handle and then put some linseed oil on it. But I mean, it's a nice looking hammer, it just needs a little cleanup. Everybody, it's Todd. Just about got done with the mason hammer of my grandpa's, and I polished it up. I wasn't going to actually go this far with it, but I tried to get most of the dings out of it. It was pretty dinged up with hitting. I mean, Grandpa and my dad used it a lot for busting up stuff, and you could tell it was used and dinged up, but that's okay. It's a true temper number 128, or I'm sorry, 12B, so 12B, and I still got a linseed handle, and then I'll take a picture of it. But what I did, you'll see in the video that I painted underneath. Well, when I cleaned it up, it was painted on the underside. There was some sort of black paint, or maybe it wasn't paint, it was something else. So I went ahead and did that to it. But it did turn out pretty decent. Gave it a polish, and I know one thing, this hammer was never in this good a shape until Grandpa bought it. But it's been used a lot, and it's still good, and it'll pass on to my kids. And appreciate you guys watching. Leave a comment. Have anything to say about the hammer? You know, go ahead and leave a comment. I appreciate it. And thanks for watching again. Have a great weekend.